Welcome friends, this is my 10-year-old Asus desktop computer. It's been a great machine, but last week suddenly it wouldn't power up anymore. I've been using this computer mainly for audio editing, and I've upgraded virtually every component. Now here's what's been happening. As soon as I hit the on button, she'll power up, but after a few seconds, shut back down and repeat the whole process over. So I went through some of the possibilities that it could be. Removing the RAM sticks, then making sure they are properly seated back in their slots, changing the CMOS battery, making sure the video card is properly seated, checking all the wired connections. I've used the canned compressed air to blow out everything thoroughly to make sure nothing's overheating, and I even used the thermal paste to redo the processor. After doing that, the problem still continued. The stock power supply unit that came with it was a 500 watt unit, so I started looking on Marketplace. I happened to pick this one up for about $40. I wanted to label the cables in case the new power supply didn't work out, so I could just put the original one back in and sell the one I just got. After removing all the power supply connections, I gently clipped the small bungee cords holding the bundles together. Remove the screws from the original power supply. Pull out the little tab and push. Came right out. I did originally mount the new power supply in, but found it was almost impossible to plug in the CD DVD player, so I pulled the power supply back out, plugged in this player, and then put the power supply back in. So anyway, here goes. Let's see what happens. She powers up. Well, that's a bummer. The only real other possibility it could be is the motherboard. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. Hit like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.